This is a test for the Larva emergency alert message. Follow the messages as updated as soon as it probably found it.
Please turn off your TV right now. PBS Kids Go has ceased broadcasting as of October 7, 2013 at 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Turn off your TV right now. I repeat, PBS Kids Go has ceased broadcasting as of October 7, 2013 at 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Turn off your TV right now. And these characters are identified as Arthur, Buster, the Cat in the Hat, Curious George, Sewer Squad from Sewerchus, Fetch with Ruff Ruffman, Fizzy Lunch Lad, Lizzle from Sigils, Martha Speaks, and Maya and Miguel. Lock all windows and doors and all children stay away for the garbage bags as soon as possible.